Boker Tov, we are Mishlei, Perek Yud Gimel, Pasuk Tet. Or tzadikim yismach. The light of the tzadikim brings happiness. V'ner reshaim, and the candle of the wicked, yid'ach, flickers out. So, this world is compared to light. Yom, compared to day. Olam haba is compared to day, and this world is compared to darkness. Olam hazeh is compared to darkness. This world is called in the law, in the world, in the Gemara, in the Talmud, in the Zohar, is Alma de Shikra, a world of lies, and it's compared to darkness because what looks truthful, we could find out later, was actually not truthful. People are not truthful, unfortunately, etc. Tzadikim through the Torah is or. They're or, they're light. Reshaim, unfortunately, are darkness. And therefore, or tzadikim yismach, the light of the tzadikim is happiness. Even though we're in a dark place, this world for now, but through the Torah, the light brings happiness. The reshaim, their main thing in this world, in a dark world, is darkness. The ner, the candle, is not light in and of itself. It's a candle, it's the physical part, and that's what they care about, the physical. And the gematria of ner is 250, nun is 50, resh is 200, and ramach evarim, 248 evarim, is 248, and he says in the Zohar that the two yadayim are also added to the 248. I guess the hands are not included in the 248, but that brings to 250. And he says that the Rasha is only about his physical body and physical enjoyments and indulgements. In addition, from the Pasuk, Ki ner mitzvah v'torah or. Ner is compared to a mitzvah is compared to a candle. Torah is compared to light. So a candle could only bring in a little bit of light. But when you put the lights on, now have a lot of light. So mitzvah is compared to a candle. So he says like this, that there is a pasuk that, it doesn't quote where it's from, I want to check it out. He says, Avera mechabe mitzvah, that certain times a sin could extinguish a mitzvah. But he says that's only if the mitzvah is compared to a candle, but not if it's compared to light. And Avera cannot extinguish Torah learning, but it could sometimes extinguish a mitzvah. And therefore he says, a tzaddik who connects to Torah, he's a tzaddik and he's connected to Torah. Sometimes he might do an avera, but the avera won't extinguish his Torah. A rasha who doesn't learn Torah, he's a rasha, and he's not connected to Torah. Sometimes he does mitzvot, but the avera could, God forbid, could extinguish those mitzvot of his. Pasuk Yud, and this is where we'll end for today. Rak bezadon yiten matzah. Only on purpose where there'll be conflict. Vet noatzim chokhmah. Those that go for advice, they are the wise ones. So what does it mean over here? That on purpose there will be conflict. So here it's connecting to, we just spoke about Torah learning. There's some people that learn Torah on purpose to try to lekanter, to try to go against. Actually, recently in a meeting, and if you followed maybe the COR, and not just the COR, but the Canadian Shechita, the government is trying to go against certain parts of the way that Jews do Shechita, and they want us to stun the animal beforehand, and in Canada. So it's a big lawsuit. Actually COR, MK, and CJA, UJA also, they paid for a lot for the COR and MK, and they won the case. The Jewish won the case, but in court, which was not prepared, on the other side, they pulled out like a Gemara, not a Gemara, like a one of the Mefarshim or something that says it's allowed, that stunning's allowed. Like you said, like how does like the Canadian government, some goy, whatever, pulls out a piece of Torah to try to go against, and like an opinion, but a Torah opinion. And this is the type of like learning. They lost the case at the end, but there's still some things to iron out. It's still ongoing. The representatives from the COR, MK had to travel to Israel for things. Anyways, So, but it's just like learning Torah to like bring it against. And unfortunately, there's some people that do that. But those that go with etzah and ask advice, what does this mean? What does that mean? And they're a talmid and they're always trying to learn more. Those are going to get the true chokhmah. B'ezrat Hashem, let's be like the tzaddikim always. Let's be like the light and learning Torah, connected to Torah, and growing in the proper way of Torah. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen ve'amen. Rabbi Chananya ben Akashya ben Ratzah HaKadosh Baruch Hu. לזכות את ישראל לפיכך מבעליהם תורה ומצוות שנאמר על מלאכת זמן זכו יגדיל תורה וידיר